What's up, guys? Welcome back to my little channel. So I decided that I'm going to go out of the prefecture today. So you guys know I used to live in Fukushima, now I live in Yamagata. So we're going to a different prefecture today, and this prefecture is called Gunma. Honestly, I kind of contemplated if I should go because like Gunma has a lot of activities for you to do with people, and of course I'm by myself. Like they have bungee jumping, which Ayrton did supposed to do, but he left, and like they have a lot of water activities. I'm not gonna do those because I don't want to do them by myself. So I'm just going to see what else they have that I can do by myself and just try to make the best of the trip. I packed a bag just in case I have to stay over because the first stop that I'm stopping is like 6 hours away from here. So I don't know if I'm going to do everything in one day. So I just packed a bag in case probably I'm going to have to book a little hotel later, but we will see. So I'm gonna leave now. God, journeying mercies please. And yeah, I'm just gonna blast my music by myself and I'll update you guys along the way. And if I see anything interesting for me to vlog, then I'll vlog it and we'll see where it goes. So yeah, stay with me. I'm just about to drive out and I realize I don't have no mask. So I'm probably going to have to stop at like a 7-Eleven or whatever. I have one mask here that I wore to school yesterday, still in the car. I usually change my mask after lunch and so yeah, I'll probably just put on that and stop at a 7-Eleven and buy some masks. I mean, I have boxes of masks upstairs, but I'm not come out of the car again. Okay, here we go.
6 hours later.
Okay, guys, I don't know how many hours after this, but I pay $500 for parking and the man say me there, so him say 5 minutes walk, so me I walk. Place look very sketch, but me I walk. Hey. Look very sketch. Hey, and then me no know directions, you know. Like I am konnichiwa. I am famous for getting lost. So I hope me remember the way if I come back. You want to see my look family club, must show me in a minute skirt. Oh God. I may hear the water, but I just don't see anything. But let's see. They said that it's like it's the Niagara Falls of Japan. So make we see me hear water, but me not see nothing. Oh, I think I see a piece of it. Let me go down there. Anyways, I left my tripod in the car because I'm just never sure if me I got the right place. But apparently I am. Okay. Not sure where to go. I can't sit down here because the block off right here. Alright, so apparently got all the way down there, so but then block it off. And you see people walk up there for a little while. Hey guys, it's not that impressive to say that it's the Niagara Falls of Japan. We didn't expect more, but I mean, like the back part, the see like water that come from all the way down there, so yeah. But I mean, it's pretty. It's always nice seeing something new, even though I've seen many falls or whatever. But yeah. Anyways, I'm going back up. Usually when I'm doing stuff by myself, I kind of not rush, but yeah. But the man give me like paper with one bag of places up here, so you see autumn colors. Nothing on. When I was coming through Tochigi, there were many, but them they not real. Them not start.
Do not cross the white line or the rope along the walkway.
Oh, they must say it's dangerous. That's why them put the rope them. Now this is what I expected, but they're also showing a walking trail. So I don't know if I have to walk further, but I'm not gonna. Yeah, cause I don't want night to catch me in this area. Cause like you know, see no hotel, no motel, no where I could have stopped. So I'm not go linger here. So also, I think all of my pictures or videos are gonna be with me in mask because I really don't know the like the COVID cases in Gunma. So you know, yeah. Anyways, I saw it. I was not that impressive to me, but I guess maybe to somebody that like has never seen something like that before, then yeah, these stuff are more impressive to me. But anyways, let's go back up. Oh, so it's all the way down there. Maybe because of COVID. Like you know, because somebody's on the speaker talking and saying be careful and it's slippery and whatever. So I guess probably usually they would have somebody like do like a tour or whatever. But you know, COVID hinder everything. So you just get to see the little piece so you can see and be satisfied. Why? I'm tired. When I was coming through Tochigi, all of the flowers changed and they were beautiful. I thought Gunma would have changed by now, but I guess not. But anyways, this is just the first stop. Whoa, I'm tired. Not even realize I want to heal me climb up a while ago. Wombat. All cemetery may have passed through. Father God. Guys, I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. I don't know if I should pick this one or one of these or this yellow one. Eek. There's like so many to choose from, and then you actually have people around there that's making them know. Hey guys, I'm obviously gonna choose this one because it has the sunflower on it. I wanted some that represent more Japan, but oh, this is really cute. But I can't give up the sunflower. But like they have people making them right now. Oh my god, I've been wanting one of these dolls for when. Okay, so I'm gonna cash out. They're actually gonna close pretty soon, but I'm just looking. Very nice, amazing. Like they're making them now. This store is just amazing to me, and it's very famous. And I can't stop talking about the people that are actually making right this in front of me. I'm in love. Bomb, 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 bomb. Alright, so it was actually closing. Anyways, let me show you guys. Ratty, not you know if you take a picture of me. So it's called Yusaburo Kokeshi, and they make dolls right there. Yeah, and you know that's expensive like other stores where I sell it, you know. And this is like from the store that makes it, so I'm pretty happy. Now I asked the cashier lady because she just come out here with some cart, No, so she can take a picture. No, because hello. Yeah, me ask. Just away from her.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have to book a hotel. And me reach, and it look very scary. It look very scary. I'm afraid to go inside. It not even look like it paint. Jesus Christ. Guys, first of all, don't know what that is. Anyways, me get the light them for turn on in the room, you see? But me so sure no, but my thing is, hold on there. This is the key. Guys, to the bed there. I mean, I want that. I feel it. Okay. No. But my thing is, this is the key, yeah? This is the key. This is the bathroom. Okay, fine. But me not understand oil lock. Or oil lock. Oh, what? First of all, I don't know what that did, but that none of them. But how it lock? Cause this is to come in. So how do I close it? Cause me have my passport and whatever upon me. So me not understand this. Oh, it lock. Or the room lock. No, me if I go downstairs to ask them. But anyways, little room here if you stay the one little night. No, me need to figure out what me gonna eat, but me need to figure out outdoor lock. No, sir. Okay, so him show me apparently it can open from inside, but like once me come in with the key, it can. So me inside, so it can open. But he must say once me inside, it lock. Me go test wait there. Me go test this card. I don't know about this, but me want to make sure so the door lock. So me go try open this. Mama. Okay. One back here, every fault. I try open it and then. Oh, okay. It lock fit through. Okay. Stroke. Sorry, guys. I remember put on the phone. Oh, look at that. I did feel like so. Oh, wait, they make it so complicated. So, anyways, guys, yes, there's a little room. Oh, then give me slippers. I want in here, so. Oh, towel and things. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. All right. Alright, I'm about to go to Mars. I need to find somewhere to eat. No, sir. Anyways, they have free parking, and that's always what I'm looking for, really and truly. So my face oily. So now my dilemma is, do I drive, go back to a McDonald's, 6 minutes drive for dinner, or do I walk 9 minutes? I got the McDonald's at 18 minutes. I have time for that. Or do I walk 9 minutes to a Family Mart? May I sit down on the bed because them chair there. Them look dusty and it kind of scare me. What may I do? Ouch. I eat some cocos too, you know. Let me look if I see cocos from the maps. Sorry for the light glare. Alright, so cocos are 9 minutes walk to. Family Mart are 9 minutes walk to. A long time I eat no cocos. Should I walk the streets of Gunma? Probably. I forgot to start the mega eat, guys. But yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I am looking a mess. My eye them burn me and thing. But yeah. Yes, I'm gonna end the vlog here, so guys. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And pray for me so that not do me in here, so that bad, it's just it's okay. I'm better say me have to pay for them the water days, alright. Not that bad, it's just yeah, but anyways, bye.